Alright, boys and girls, we're going to make a Lego today. At the end, it will, well, they look like a Lego block. So I'm going off an old video here. I don't like the one that was previously made, so I'm going to do what I do best, which is make my own. So, here we go. Hit New. English should pop up on your screen. Standard in.ipt. That's really annoying. And away we go. Alright, so expand this thing out. Nope, still loading, I guess. Tomorrow at this time, we'll know if the Cubs are champs or we're going to wait till next year. This is 2016, of course. So who knows how long this video will be alive out there in YouTube land. Okay, here we go. Alright, so leave everything up as you see. Going to hit File, New. Oh, no, we already did that, sorry. Hit Start 2D Sketch, and please click on the XY plane. Alrighty, cool. Here we go. We're going to do a rectangle. I want you to click this dot right here, because I always like using that. And if you want to wear this, if you press tab, it'll go back and forth like this. That way you can change things as you see fit. The bottom will be 1.5. Press tab again. That one will be 0.75. Okay, should have a nice little rectangle. Should be all nice and purple with all these little symbols by it. These are called constraints. I'll go over those a bit more later on. Hit Finish Sketch. Alright, you're going to press Extrude next. And you will click right there. And your extrusion will be your extrusion will be 0.5. So just press 0.5, please. There we go. Okay. The next thing we have to do is what's called a shell. And the function of a shell is to be able to take out an inside portion yet leave the outside walls. Okay. So here we go. You're going to click shell. On these, you have to click the bottom right here. Make sure you click the longer portion, not the sides, and this should go away. Change that to 0.02, please. And it should look like this. If you've made a mistake or it did not go out, you always can press Control Z and it will get rid of it, and then you just hit the reshell. You press the bottom here, 0.02, press check mark, and you're good. So you should have something that looks like this so far. Okay? Your next step is we're going to make the little peg thingies on top. Okay? So here's how you're going to do this. You're going to click on the face, and you're going to click this button right here that's called Create Sketch. Okay? What you're going to do next, you're going to hit Circle, dump a circle right here, and you're going to make this 0.25. Okay? Now we have to put it in the right place because it's not in the right spot, otherwise it's going to look really weird. So you click on Dimension, you're going to click this bottom line, you're going to click on this middle dot right here, you're going to go over, you're going to type in 0.2. Then you're going to click on this side here, click on this middle one, you're going to go up 0.2 again. Okay, you have your peg done. Press Finish Sketch. You're going to press Extrude, and you're going to extrude this up, let's see, that seems a little big. Let's go 0.1. Oops, 0.1. Let's see if that'll be good. This is not, no. How about 0.05? Looks good. Okay, it's 0.05. Just so you know, this is not an exact Lego to scale. It's a little bit bigger than a normal Lego. We're going off of just some fun shapes. Okay, so the next step I want to do is I want to make all 4 pegs, and we're going to do this in one command. All right, if you look up at the top of your screen, it says rectangular. This is for a rectangular pattern. Click it, please. You're going to click on your peg first, and you're going to click the word direction 1. Okay, you have to click a line here. So you have to choose one of these lines here. I'm going to choose this one down here, and then I'll get one going this way. If yours is going the wrong direction, you can flip it with this button right here. So we're going to go 4. It's 0.34, maybe? It looks close. Let's do 0.36 instead. Like I said, a little bit of guessing here, but we're just trying to make it accurate. So I'm going to push direction 2. Click this corner right here. You have to click the corner. If you click the flat surface, it won't work, and you have to redo this. 2, and then 0.36 again. Oops. This again. You press OK, and voila! You have what looks like the start of a Lego. Okay. Next, we're going to put the little word Lego here on top of this. So you can click on this top surface, press New Sketch. All right. I would like this to say Lego. So press the text button. We're going to click right here. Lego in caps. I think I need to go a little bit bigger than this. I'm going to go this 0.24. Press OK. That's way too big. Let's try that again. Let's erase that, and let's try that one more time. So text right here, Lego. Boom, we got it. Okay, so you might be thinking, oh no, it's upside down. What do I do? It's really not, in a way. If you look over here on the side where your view cube is at, my word back is upside down. Yours may be fine, but I'm just going to do this a cheap way by rotating this around, and there's my word Lego. So I'm going to dump this in here. Okay, it is way too big, obviously. So I have to double click on Lego. All right, I'm not sure why that went there, but it did. I'm going to highlight it. Let's go 0.06. Like that much better. Okay, now I can just grab it and move it over. Okay. All right. Press Finish Sketch. We got the word Lego. Okay, we have to extrude that now. You may remember doing this in our keychain activity for our last little assignment. So I'm going to go, and this can be here or here. It doesn't really matter which one it's in right now. You can probably make it work. You're gonna press Extrude. I'm gonna click the word Lego, and I don't want this to be really high, so let's go 0.02, and I like that. Okay, there we go. All right, so how do we get these on the other 7 ones? Well, you could do this for every single step, but that seems really repetitive for something I can do in one command. So we're going to do the rectangular pattern again. Click the word Lego. Okay. Direction. Hit this edge. 4.36. Boom. There you go. Direction. 2. So click this one right here. I'm going to go this arrow right there. It's going the wrong way. Flip it. Change this to 0.36. Press OK. And you're good. Okay, so far it's looking good. Next part is probably going to be more challenging, so we'll see how well this goes. Alright, so next we have to look at the belly of this beast. So look underneath it, and you're going to click this part right here, and you're going to go to Create Sketch. Now, we have to hit this thing called Project Geometry next, and what this helps us do is this helps us see things that we normally cannot on the other side of the object, or stuff that we need to use. So what I need to do is press this Project Geometry, and I need to click on these outside circles right here. Okay. Next, I need to go circle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 3 small circles like right here. Okay. And I'm going to use one of these things up here. These are called a constraint, and what they do is they just help you line things up and help you attach it and stuff like that. So if I click this one right here, I click this edge and this one. Just keep clicking them. You have to click 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Do this for all 3 circles so they're lined up and they're good to go. There we go. So I got that done. Alrighty. So we're going to press Finish Sketch next. I need to extrude these 3 circles right here. So I'm going to press Extrude. Click this dude, this dude, this dude. But this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to change your distance to next. And nope, that won't work, sorry. It's 2. And then I need to click on this top surface right here, and you see the pegs shoot right up to that. So press your check mark there. Alright, so we're getting the pegs going now. Okay. The next thing I need to do is, now I need to make these holes right here. Here's what I'm going to do. We're going to click New Sketch right here. Okay, so we can utilize these circles. I want to project all 3 of these things right here so I can see all 3 circles as is. And what I'm going to do is make a new circle right here in the middle. And I'm going to make this circle, let's go 0.2. And do that for all 3 of them, please. So just type 0.2, click in the middle, type 0.2, and press Finish Sketch. Okay, we're going to press Extrude next, but you click all 3 of these things, and then we're going to do a cut. A cut is right here. This will go through your object. Okay, so I want to cut it down, and you see here it gives these little like arrows right there that I could do a push and pull, which is a big pain in the butt. I don't like that. So we're going to click distance, and we're going to go to, I want to click this base right here, and it should go right to there without going through it. Let's see if it does it. Oh, it did. Wonderful. Okay, so we got that done now. All right. In order to save ourselves a little bit of time here, we're going to, now we have to make these little bitty pegs down here. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to be able to go back into the sketch one more time. Okay, and one more time, I'm sorry I have to do this, but I need to project these circles one more time again. So go ahead and grab, actually we'll just do 1 and I'll just make an array. Never mind. Okay, so we're going to do circle here, do a circle on this dot right there, and we're going to do this one at 0.75. Oops, sorry, 0.075. My bad. To change it, you just double click on this, 0.075. There we go. Okay, we're going to do a Finish Sketch. We're going to do a Extrude. Click in here. We're just going to go down, press OK, and there we go. So we have these little pegs here that go on the bottom. Hopefully I give you guys a Lego to mess around with. So now we need to do a rectangular pattern. Sorry about the background noise. Alright, so rectangular pattern, press this dot right here. You're going to do direction. We're going to click this little edge right there, and that will start that over. So 4 and 0.36, just like we've done every other time. And then go to direction 2, click this edge right here. It will go, if it's not going the right way, just flip it. There we go, there it is. Change this to 0.36. Press OK, and you have the bottoms. Alright, I'm going to stop here this video. I'll finish it up on the next one. So go ahead and keep going on this. Questions, please ask. Later.